Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make this video using Blender. First, let's download the emotes. We have to label the file names correctly so Blender understands the sequence. First, let's start with a clean work area and add a plane. Next, let's add the main camera facing where we want. Use hotkeys G, and then X, Y, or Z to move our objects around. R to rotate. RX aligns to X-axis. Next, we'll add a sphere. G to move. S to scale. Press Tab to go into edit mode. Right-clicking subdivide. Press Tab again to exit edit mode. Next, let's add materials to our plane and sphere. Change the shading mode by holding Z. Make the sphere glow. Next, let's make the background darker. Change the world settings to reflect light. Change how the ground material absorbs light. Next, let's add an animated PNG. GZ to move along the axis. GY to move along Y-axis. Grabbing the camera and adjusting it. We can't see Peppy. Let's fix the lighting. Drag corners to make new windows. Let's make it a shader editor. Here we can make the image animated. Next, let's add a song. Be sure to start from the first frame using Shift plus left arrow. Great. Next, I want to fix some lighting. Let's make the emote transition into PP overheat when the vocal starts. Select, copy, and paste the first two boxes to make a new image. Then we can add a mix shader to transition between the two. Let's use keyframes to make a transition. You can use the hotkey I to turn anything into a keyframe. Can go to the timeline view to see keyframes. Next, we'll make something bounce with the beat using a driver. Using an empty cube, go to the first frame using Shift plus left arrow. Then set a keyframe on the position by pressing I. I made a file that only contains the drums and bass. Our driver is done. Now other things can use this driver. It's a bit strong, so we can reduce the effect. Moving the camera back a bit. Next, let's animate Peppy walking into frame. Go to frame 1 by pressing Shift plus left arrow, then setting a keyframe on the position by pressing I. Using the record option, manually move the character after pressing G. For the last step, we need to fix a bug where the animated PNG plays too fast. First, create a driver based on time, or in other words, the frame count. Now it matches the frame value. We can apply this driver to our animation to slow it down. This formula is based off of a 6-frame animation. Now it feels normal speed. Lastly is rendering. You can use PNG rendering to render over multiple sessions, or go straight to movie render. These are the settings I tried in the Bang Bang remix song. That's it. If you want to add the ocean, you can see the tutorial that I used as a reference. Thanks for watching.